Today we've got one beautiful 1970 Chevelle. She's got a big block under the hood. She's painted what I think is Cortez silver, and she is looking sweet. Those black stripes really set off the silver. Everything looking sweet. I'll tell you what, if you're gonna spray silver, you better know what you're doing. This is smooth as can be, and that metallic is laid down just looking beautiful. You can see the trims on the headlights all looking sweet. Also, the grill's beautiful. The chrome on the front bumper's looking great. As you look down the side of the car, the bodywork is straight as an arrow. That door's fitting very nicely to the front fender there. You can see it's matched up real nice. You can see all the stainless here looking great on the vinyl top, which looks like it's brand new. The door's matched up real nice on the rear quarter panel here. We'll open it up. My favorite color interior, black on a muscle car. Absolutely beautiful. We got a great looking period correct steering wheel in there. We've got a 4-speed shifter. We got brand new upholstery on the seats here. It looks like the window crank fell off the back window. I'll make sure the guys get a new clip. There's no clip on there. Get a new clip on that, get that installed. Get the keys for the car right here. You can see the dash is all refinished, looking sweet. All the gauges look great. I mean, she is just absolutely gorgeous. 1970 Chevelle, probably one of the most popular muscle cars on the road today. Everybody's after these babies. You got those twin headlights up front looking sweet. That big long quarter panel looking sweet. All the chrome out back here looking good. Now all these stripes are buried under the clear, so when you're waxing this baby, you don't have to worry about the wax buildup between the black and the silver like back in the old days. Inside the trunk, everything looking sweet in there. We do not have a spare tire in this car. You're not gonna have a flat on this baby anyway, and if you do, you're gonna call AAA. She is beautiful. You can see those wheel wells look good. You can see all the paint work around here, all looking sweet. The rubber's been replaced. Bottom side of the deck lid's looking great. Brand new paint there. I always check this back lip here on the deck lid also. As you look down the passenger side, you can see the bodywork on the passenger side just as beautiful as the driver's side. That door is fitting the quarter panel real nice again, nice and flush. And the body line's nice and straight. Also up here, nice and flush. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this Chevelle, so you know we did our homework, checked it all out. Then we're gonna put this baby up on the lift, take pictures, finish up this video, and do an inspection so we can answer all your questions. Chevelle time, baby. Silver, black racing stripes, 4-speed, big block, looking sweet with the Cragars. Driving awesome. I tell you what, where you want to go? Let's go to a car show and win some trophies with this baby. You're going to have people following you around with this car, guaranteed, man. It's just too beautiful. Everybody loves 70 Chevelles. It's the hottest year for Chevelle for sure. Super cool, man, just as smooth as can be. The only thing I'd do different on this thing, and everybody say it together, louder mufflers. I mean, being quiet's cool, but that's for your daily driver. When you're out driving your hot rod, I want to make some noise. Now it does have a nice rumble to it, so you can still tell it's a badass. But I tell you what, She is driving amazing. Nice and smooth. Everybody knows how the roads are here in Michigan. Just downshifting great. Just went from third to second there. Then down here on the dash, everything's looking good down here too. All the gauges look good. The dash itself's in beautiful shape. The chrome, the black. We got our windshield wiper switch here. The windshield wipers are wiping. We better get this thing inside because I think we might have to turn the windshield wipers on here in a minute. There's some pretty ugly clouds coming in. 5 minutes ago it was blue sky. That's what they say about Michigan. Just wait 5 minutes and the weather will change. Around the corner here. Now we can ship this beauty anywhere in the world. You just call us at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live. Just one beautiful Chevelle. The brakes feel good, the clutch feels good. Again, I just went from third to second, and then just second to first here, no problem. Got this minivan in my way. I can't see what's going on. I don't know what they're waiting on. Now we can go. So we're gonna go back to the shop right now, and we're gonna put this thing up in the air so you can check out the bottom side. We do that with every car here at Vanguard. And please share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, do that too. Stick with us, we're going in the air right now. All right, we're underneath the Chevelle now, and she is just as pretty under here. You can see the tank looks like it's fairly new. The exhaust system's new. We got nice paint on the frame. We got nice paint on the floorboards. Everything looking sweet. We've got 12-bolt rear end. I just rolled it over and counted it. It's right around the 350 gear. It's got aftermarket lower control arms on it. Now the guys will pull the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order, make sure they're installed correctly. We got new shocks here. We got stock type mufflers. We got some aftermarket Hotchkiss braces here. We got a nice coating on the floorboards, all looking good. Looks like we got a new fuel line running front to back. We got a new brake line running front to back. We got Muncie transmission in here. We got a stock appearing bell housing. We got stock appearing clutch linkage. Looks like a stock starter also. We've got new ball joints here. We got disc brakes up front. A lot of these parts look like they're new. We got a sway bar up front here. Looks like the idler arm's new. The fuel pump looks like it's new. The core support looks great. The front frame horns are nice and straight. The chrome on the front bumpers also looking sweet. We got great looking tires here too. They still got the nubblies on them, so they're definitely new. The Cragars are new. We got two 25/60/15s up front. And as you look down the side of the car, that silver paint is looking sweet. The bottom side of the rocker's looking good. The bottom edge of that front fender's looking good. The frame is all painted up, looking good. Everything on this thing just looking absolutely sweet as can be. Out back here, we got some more rubber on the road. We got two 55/60/15s. Same good looking Cragars. And these rear tires and Cragars are brand new also. Let's lower it down and look under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got big block power. We got a 396. There's a Holley carburetor sitting on top of that Edelbrock intake. That Holley carburetor is a 4-barrel. It's dual feed. It's a double pumper. We got power brakes here. Looks like the power booster's new. All the brake lines are new. Everything's looking sweet there. Looks like we got some brand new MSD spark plug wires on there. We've got new bushings in the upper control arms. We've got a new rag joint. We do have power steering also. Looks like they've used a lot of the correct clamps and everything. We got great looking radiator hoses. We got great looking wiring under here. The firewall's all nice and clean. The wheel wells are nice and clean. We got a top on the battery here. It makes it look like the old school battery. I mean, everything under here is clean as a whistle. She's absolutely gorgeous. Of course, 396 power. We verified the 396 with the casting number. The casting number's on the back side of the block right behind the driver's side head. Guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.